Today, something quite interesting happened in Supreme Court. Now, I don't know. I seriously don't know. I'm just going to ask questions, right? And the Supreme Court, yenim say case ekoko piemu wo ho. Ekuo bi a yesi from omo ye civil society organization media na minti omudinda yesi from census. What you say? Na omo say Chief Justice na ye yi no. Etiamra enti yembongu. Media na minim say ekuo bi a senia wo hwe ekuo no. Omo ensemo a omo ka media na minim say bia senia omo ka say ye Ghana fo na omo ye Ghana fo na omo de asa asem na ekoso no omo hwe a entwa ye ene ye we. But enne omo ko Supreme Court a ye bo omo asem ku ye no. Surprisingly enough, obi a ye sanso hu no wo Supreme Court Chief Justice Torkornoo ekunu. And then you said Chief, and this is the report coming from GH1. If they are lying, then that's a wrong report they've put out. But my main can report and I'll say Chief Justice Torkornoo's husband and legal team leaving Supreme Court following dismissal of an application for interlocutory injunction aimed at halting hearing of 3 petitions against the Chief Justice. Inti yesi Chief Justice no nikunu any the legal team ye hu omo say wo move free Supreme Court na kire say ekuo na ye friend census anaga for ye yen say eye civil society organization no ekuo no omo lawyers no eye Chief Justice ni nikunu ena ono mo menti seriously me who story I was like what is happening here? Because Nanka Chief Justice, no, I don't know, or the Chief Justice was a respondent to the case. Seriously, I don't understand. But even if Chief Justice is a respondent to the case now, Nick Nunu, he has nothing to do with it. But Nick Nunu a free court with Nick Nunu the legal team. Into Nick Nunu legal team, no, and I know more representing a corner na. Into a corner civil society organization, biome. Now, a Chief Justice no nikunu na for me say there are a lot of questions. There are a lot of questions I don't understand. Seriously, there are a lot of questions I don't understand. Charlie, hey, wow. That's the family fight too. Hey, just say ya can't tamper say mama no ye mani nko enye ebusian tokwa pa. Wow. That's quite interesting. Also, Chief Justice Torkornoo's husband and legal team leaving Supreme Court following the dismissal into Nikunu and in the legal team. And a GH1 for no one reported story ni. Because Chief Justice no Nikunu in the legal team in every Supreme Court. Because the case is a corner from a sense. Anyway, yes, a corner. Maybe. Let's do something. We are going to do something, right? And I'm going to do it right in front of you so you see. Because seriously, we need more answers. I'm not going to lie. Seriously, we need more answers. Let's go to Ghana Web and let's try to get some answers on this. Let's check. Let's do some background check. Let's do some background check on the Ekuono. You see a from the Center for Citizenship. Center for Citizenship. But let's check the full name. Center for Citizenship, Constitutional and Electoral Systems. Center for Citizenship, Constitutional and Electoral Systems. Center for Citizenship, Constitutional and Electoral Systems. No, right? Let's do some background check and see. When was Ekuono formed? Because I seriously, if it is a civil society organization, now omo akwa kopie mu wo court a omo ne chief justice no ne kunu e wo twa kaben omo ne chief justice ne kunu and chief justice ne kunu lawyers what and so far it looks like really there was no prior information on Ekuono. There's no story on Ekuono. I'm saying Ekuono page and the meaning say Nikunu ne form Ekuono because I mean on social media at least you expect some stories on Ekuono. There's no prior story on Sa Ekuowe. The first time I met you on Monka. Yeah, okay, so I think there is an there's an Instagram post. Let's see. There's an Instagram post. Oh, the Instagram post was made by Asasi Radio. And so see Ekuono is a Ghanaian company limited by guarantee. Ghanaian company. So, okay, anyway, let's say a Ghanaian company there. Then, so that doesn't mean say a chief justice ni kunu and it is our company na. It is quite interesting, no, because on the lawyers na court na case ni the emfa ni kunu ho. You see a kubi na case na kopie mu court. Na ka ni kunu the emfa ho ben. But you hu say ni kunu any lawyers. Anyway. Let's read comments and see what Ghanaians are saying, because for me this is it's I don't know why I say it is funny. It is quite interesting. I don't go into lie. For me this is interesting. Wow. Obviously Charlie, the law is the law. Or see the law is the law now. Or see so the husband is also in all this. Or see so the husband is also in all these useless injunction cases. They still can't read the room that the woman is gone. It will be as someone can say ni kunu nenso sebe in same way na ekoso no say ni kunu nenso ka ho. Obisi shaking my head. I see who is representing the chief justice. I say how does she feel knowing this is how the judiciary has dealt with others? I say so can the Supreme Court justice tender in her resignation letter to safeguard her pension, as dismissal often leads to forfeiture of pension benefits? Given the situation, it seems unlikely she will return to the bench. She's a goner. I say criminals, look at their disgraceful faces. I say osono mame. I say it don't turn family issue, but where is the daughter, the contract beneficiary? Into be someone who can say ababa bedane ebusiantoka. Obi say Kabila mof. I say so he went to rescue the wife. Ow. I say JDM, please, can you be fast with the process to ensure peace in the judiciary, please? Or say they can climb the mountain or stairs, she will go. Or say whether she way any gown, or more gown say tapolin. Hey. Or say see this thing called power, eh? Or say foolish man, you were taken per diem. Hey, Charlie. Or say ananana nana pwa. What's that? Or say from grace to grass. Or say the husband won't advise her to resign. Or say osono mami they come die. Or say he figure what? Or say sia, as you were enjoying our money, did we put an injunction on you? Now God go kill you wicked criminals. Wow. Or say you are corrupt but you want to fight. No problem. More skeletons will come out then. Or say it is a big disgrace to the vice president to sit idle and watch this happen. And I'm not surprised because the NDC has never appointed a female chief justice before. And even the male they decided to bring wasn't successful. Obviously, the law is the law. So a lot of people are commenting on this. But I think that people are not really asking the right questions I think they should be asking. Like, inti Ekuono eyeni kunu ni dia na say dia menti ase. Ne Ekuono yeni kunu dia. What's going on? I say the law is the law. Obviously shameless people. I say no shame boy. Obviously they are working no. So a lot of people are commenting on this. I say they should give up. The fight is gone. Obviously this woman never knew a day like this would come. She's trying so hard to run away from accountability. when she has sent people to jail because of one bag of maize. Hey, I don't know that the suspended Chief Justice not in Crawford ako jail because of a brew bottle back. A brew bottle back, they are saying, and known to me. But there's the story. Are you not surprised? Nick no yambo ni din ewo case nim. Eye kuobi group yes civil society organization. Inti Nick no ene ne lawyers omo ye den wo. Your guess is as good as mine. Won't try your comment box ni moment I say.